Why Philippine literature is important? What makes Philippine literature? What are the four periods of literature? Can you describe them of literature? What is literature in your own words? How do you already know about literature? What is literature and its purpose? Why literature is in human life? Why Philippine literature is important?
Studying Philippine literature is so important because it portrays as a living language. Philippine literature introduces real-life situations within the experiential background of youth to the future literary pieces. This is bringing us into such issues as environmental awareness, peace education, and others. This is also telling us to the real woman being, a woman being having dual nature, which is not only doers of actions, but also dreamers of a dream. We understand not only the past of life, a nation, but also its present. Moreover, we become familiar not only with the culture of neighboring countries, but also with that of others living very from us.
What are examples of Philippine literature?
The 10 best books in Philippine literature: Loli Mitanghere, Florante at Laura, Mga Ibong Mandaragit, The Woman Who Had Two Navels, Poon a Novel, Banaag at Sikat, Ilustrado, Dekada 70.
What makes Philippine literature unique?
The Philippines is unique for having important works in many languages. Philippine authors made these languages their own, adding a distinct voice to them that was unique to our archipelago.
What are the four periods of literature?
To answer these questions, this paper looks into 5 major literary traditions of Philippine literature. We have native, Islamic, Spanish, American, and nationalist, which in turn belong to any of 3 historical periods of Philippine history: pre-colonial, colonial, and post-colonial.
The main theme of literature.
The literary content later embedded themes that express the search for Filipino identity.
What is literature in your own word?
Literature is a group of work of art made up of words.
What do you already know about literature?
Literature is a method of recording, preserving, and transmitting knowledge and entertainment, and can also have a social, psychological, spiritual, or political role. The types of approaches used for the teaching of literature: first, language-based approach; paraphrastic approach; information-based approach; personal response approach; moral philosophical approach; and lastly, stylistic approach.
How literature can change your life?
Reading and reading fiction in particular make us better at work out what other people are thinking, feeling.